Let's explore how to customize your Shopify checkout using the Checkout Branding API. We are starting with the default checkout page. Next, consult the developer documentation to review all of the available objects. We only have one option to customize checkout branding, and that's the Checkout Branding upsert mutation. So let's start by searching for it. Here, you can find the objects that you can include when building your Checkout Branding upsert mutation. Once you've added all the objects you want to update with your mutation, you can include the values for those objects as part of your input variables. On the right-hand side of the docs, we also have example mutations to get started. Let's take a look at the example for Modify a Color Scheme. We can compare the example mutation to the objects in documentation to identify what this code will update in the checkout. We are working on the Design System object. We can see it uses the colors, schemes, scheme 2, and base objects, and then the background and text objects. The client has told you they want a light green background with darker green text. Before running this mutation, can you visualize what changes this might result in just by reading the dev docs? Let's run this code and see. Copy and paste the mutation and the variables to the Graphical Explorer app. Add your checkout profile ID to the input variable. We also need to set our desired colors. Let's set the background to our desired light green, hex code F7FAF5, and the text, hex code with a dark green, 44691E. Run your mutation. Now, refresh your checkout and accounts editor. The right half of your checkout has the background and text color updates. Shopify has divided the checkout into schemes to give developers more granular control over design. If you want to set your entire background, you can run this mutation again, applying the same customization to Scheme 1. Update your mutation to pass in Scheme 1. You need to change it in 3 places: your mutation, the input fields, and the input variables. Run your mutation again. Now the desired background and text color are applied to the main area of the checkout. If you need to reset any of your changes, you can run a mutation that resets objects to null. Enter the null command, then run the mutation. You are back to a blank canvas so that you can further explore the Checkout Branding API